dragging your feet, now you're going slower. A database, they called your names, but now you're getting older. You got a tendency to self-destruct. Yeah, you like it a lot, even though it's clear you're out of love. I try to cheer you up. Born in '89, you know you're always right, and you never lose your cool. Always sitting there, you most your perfect hair. I guess you were just playing by the database. I think it's time that we both recovered. A database, we did our time.